Hey everybody, Lane Mendelson here. I'm the president of Vantagepoint AI, and I am standing right outside our headquarters. You'll notice someone just walked out in a red shirt, and today is a very special day because, look at this. Today is the very first time that we are having a Vantagepoint blood drive right here on our property. So you can see right behind me, there's a big red bus. That's where members of our team are gonna be donating blood throughout the day. So we told everybody, hey, let's make it fun, dress in red. We've got pizza coming in. We're gonna do some fun stuff, but in the process, we're gonna be helping people who are in need. There's always a shortage of blood, and certain people have certain blood types. So members of our team throughout the day are gonna go out, they're gonna make donations of blood, and it's just another way that we're able to give back. So in addition to our giving through our partnership with the Shriners Hospitals for Children, we fund obviously a entrepreneurial scholarship that my father started. We do food drives and so many other ways of giving back, in addition to helping traders and investors become more successful. Well, today we've added a new one to the list. So we're very proud of that. I wanna thank everybody on my team who's participating, and I also wanna thank everybody who's a member of the Vantagepoint family, people who have gotten the Vantagepoint software, who benefit from it, who are being empowered on a daily basis. As our company grows and as we experience company success, that's what allows us to give back. So thank you so much, I really appreciate it.